Welcome to Fred's Pavement Wisdom, where 45 years of Midwest expertise meets your toughest asphalt challenges. I'm Fred from Sasco Pavement Coatings, and today we're talking about the biggest decision every property owner faces. You've been staring at that busted up chunk of asphalt every morning like it's gonna magically fix itself. Well, Fred is here to tell you when to fix it and when to forget it. Listen up, kinfolk. After decades of watching folks throw good money after bad pavement, I've seen more sob stories than a divorce lawyer. Here is the straight dope on whether to slap some band-aids on that mess or bite the bullet and start fresh with your asphalt problems. Now, if them cracks are thinner than your patience with a long line at the DMV, and that is about a quarter inch, you can probably seal them up. These little hairline beauties are what we call alligator cracks in training. Catch them early or watch them turn into the Everglades with full-grown pavement problems. Small potholes, well, that's like treating a stubbed toe. Cold patch for the quick fix, hot mix if you want it done proper. But if you've got more holes than a championship golf course, we need to have ourselves a serious talk about the big picture here, partner. Your parking lot looking more worn out than a pair of Sunday boots. If that base is solid but she is just rough around the edges, a good seal coat and restriping will make her prettier than a fresh coat of paint on the barn door. But when your asphalt got more connected cracks than a conspiracy theory, well, partner, she is done for. Alligator cracking means that base has given up the ghost, and no amount of crack seal are gonna save this patient from major pavement failure. See that pavement sinking, heaving, or doing the wave-like stadium crowds? That's your foundation giving up. You can patch the surface all you want, but it's like putting lipstick on a pig. Still gonna be ugly come morning when that base is shot. Water sitting on your pavement longer than your cousin stays for Sunday dinner. If you cannot fix that drainage without moving heaven and earth, it's time to start fresh, folks. Water is the enemy of good pavement every single time. Here is Fred's formula for deciding what to do. If repairs cost more than half of replacement, just replace it. Age matters too. 0 to 5 years old, repair that baby. 5 to 15 years, depends on how bad you messed up the maintenance. Over 15 years, time to put old yeller down. Spring makes everything look terrible after winter damage shows up. Summer is prime time for construction work. Fall is your last chance for seal coating before winter hit. And winter, well, unless it's an emergency, put down that phone and wait for better weather conditions. The bottom line, folks, minor problems with solid base means repair. Major cracking with base problems means replace. When in doubt, call someone who knows. And that is us at Sasco Pavement Coatings in Springfield, Missouri and Little Rock, Arkansas, where Fred's wisdom meets your pavement problems. Thanks for watching Fred's Pavement Wisdom. If this saved you from making a costly mistake, hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. Got a pavement problem you need help with? Call Sasco Pavement Coatings or visit our website. Remember, folks, your pavement doesn't care about your feelings, but Fred and the Sasco team sure do care about saving you money. Links are in the description, folks. Like, share, and subscribe, or Fred might start shaking.